Good morning, people. I just finished the 10-day course. We just had the wrap up. And I wanted to make a video because we have our phones back. So, first of all, just see the meditation center. This is called Pagoda. This is like in Burmese style where there are these individual meditation cells that we got to meditate in. And this is the hall called Dhamma Hall where we did all of the, learning and meditation. And that's just a 360-degree view of the entire place. This is so magical. There's so much I want to share with you. We could not write, journal, or we could not do anything. So all of that was just, the ideas going on in my mind. So it'll take some time for me to share all of that. There's so much to share. But what I want to share with you the most is this was so amazing. It was very intense. Thank you for sending me love and your best wishes. It helped quite a lot. Because I can tell you that in a few days I was like, why did I sign up for this? I'm not meant to meditate so much. And all of those doubts and all of those frustrations. But then there was a strong determination and decision that I'm going to go through these 10 days and, realizing it's a lot of change for me, and it helped. I could feel your love. I was like, I can do this. And for those of you who are in my world and understand my the language, in this was like a processing feelings boot camp, I would say. The whole approach, I loved the whole approach because this is such a practical approach to processing feelings and sensations in your body that actually drive you to take all the action, or that determines the quality of action that you take. And how my work is all about emotional intelligence. This is literally what I teach. And now having the opportunity to not just use a conscious mind approach to teaching it, but actually practically applying it in the body and experiencing those sensations and letting those come. And the way he explained, the teacher Goenka, he's no more. I think he was, I'll share more details, but he is the one, they use the videos of that to teach the program. And the beauty about this is they have retained the technique of Buddha in its purest form. So what you're learning is a practical technique of actually seeing how the interaction of mind and matter creates those sensations in the bodies. And when you experience it with that depth, you truly realize that there is, what are we craving for? What are the goals for? What are our desires for? How we talk about whatever you think you're gonna feel, it's just gonna be a sensation in your body. So there's no point of going after some goal from the intention of I really desperately need to get there because there is not better than here. Well, this was an actual practical implication of that. This was the actual experience where you see those sensations and you show yourself how they're so temporary and not something worth going after. So, a lot to share. My mind is buzzing with the comparisons, knowing you know me. When I did the when I did the conscious thought work at Life Coach School, I started comparing it with the spirituality that I learned in childhood. Then when I did somatic work, I started seeing the alignments with the rest of the work. And then when I did hypnosis, I was like, how does this relate? And now that I've done Vipassana, my brain is buzzing with all the comparisons, all the alignments, and all the points of how does this align with that, right? So anyway, so that's all what's going on in my mind. A lot more to share. Maybe I'll do a podcast on it. We'll see. But for now, I'm just mesmerized by the experience, and I think you should do it. It's gonna be intense. You have to prepare your mind. I'll share a lot of tips for how to prepare your mind based on my own experience, but you should absolutely do it because it's gonna take your ability to connect with your own body and body sensations at another level, and it's gonna give you so much clarity that's gonna be your own, that nobody has taught you, nobody has forced on you. It's your own insight about your own body, about your own truth, and nothing is more valuable than that. So that's me, that's our residential quarters, and I'm really hungry. It's breakfast time. That's behind me, the breakfast dining hall. So I'm gonna go and eat my food, and I will see you. Bye.